Welcome back to Dynamic Conveyor. Today I'd like to highlight a new take on an old classic. This conveyor was originally sold to our customer years ago, and they came back to us looking for an updated version of what we sold them before. The good news is we made a lot of progress since that first system was sold, and we were able to incorporate the controls component to this conveyor as well. What we have is a solution that allows our customer to discharge parts from a molding machine, bring it up and onto this conveyor, and discharge into 3 bulk totes. We're able to control this with a control panel that counts shots from the molding machine and diverts parts as needed. I'd like to highlight that divert mechanism up at the front of the conveyor. I'd like to demonstrate how our divert works. The first position has the first divert arm extended. That will divert the product into a bulk bin container. Once the machine cycles a user-defined amount of times, the first chute will retract and the second will extend. This will move into our second bulk tote. And again, when the machine sends enough signals for a cycle, both arms will be retracted, having our third location being the end of the conveyor. A few other details that you want to note about this conveyor. You'll notice we have some black strips in our belt. Those are electrically conductive strips that allow us to dissipate static. We also have, at the infeed of the conveyor, an internally mounted static brush, again to help dissipate static. And a third option is actually a grounding wire, so you can hardwire to any surface, not limited to where there's an electrical outlet. This conveyor system addresses a few pain points for our customers. The ability to automate case loading and allow operators to be doing other jobs while the machines run, as well as dissipate static and keep those concerns and impacts on production to a minimum. If you have some of these similar problems and you're looking for solutions, please contact us at Dynamic Conveyor.